Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and I'm back with another Elmo to try and make a puppet. This time we're going to go fast. I'm not even going to wait. I'm just going to go ahead and get my scissors and start cutting. This one I'm not going to use the feet, so we can go ahead and get rid of those. And just like that, if I had some good scissors, maybe these scissors will be better. If I had some good scissors, they would go right in and start cutting. And of course, I don't have good scissors. I have really terrible scissors. Okay, there we go. So let's cut. And right around like this. We're just cutting the legs off. So hopefully it'll be easier to get the mechanism out, so it won't be so difficult. If you want a puppet and you want it fast, that's what you do, is you take one of these little dancing Elmos. I'm not even sure which one this is. I've got so many Elmos now. And what we're going to do is we're just going to wishbone the arms. Hang on. Let's get those arms. It's got springs on it. I'll tell you what, let's do this. We're going to make the fastest Elmo puppet that I can make as of now. There we go. Okay. Just like that. Okay. That's number one. Oops. Gotta pull. It's like you're taking off a pair of socks. There we go. There's number two. Okay. And hopefully... Oh. This one I haven't done before. So I need to find... Oh, I don't have my diagonals here. Of course, when I need them, I don't have them. But I can do it the same with a pair of pliers. Take this neck off there. And of course, this one has some weird neck on it that is different. So I just cut this off for nothing when the head is separate from the neck. Never fails. Never fails. Okay. There we go. Get that one. Hang on. Ah! One of the arms. Ow, that hurt. One of the arms. Let's get this. Trying to get this off. It's not, or is it one piece? I don't know. Oh, man. That really hurt. You got to be careful when you're working with these guys. I think right there is the other. Why is it so difficult to work with these Elmo dolls? At least I can get the body part off. Okay, so there is a Elmo t-shirt apparently. So we've got an Elmo t-shirt, and then we've got an Elmo head that just really wants to come. This is weird. I've never seen this Elmo before, and it's like Terminator Elmo, I think is what it is. Hang on a second. I'm going to try one more time here with these pliers. I have the knuckle right there, I think. There it is. I'm going to take that zip tie off. Is it doing it? Oh, it's doing it all right. Okay. It's off the neck mechanism. Well, we're going to have to call this one a how to create an Elmo the hard way again, because really I thought it was going to be simple. I thought, oh, I just cut the pants part down at the bottom and away he goes. And of course, it couldn't be farther from the truth, because this is like a weird robotic Elmo. Right, okay. Will it come off now? Hang on a sec. I think I'm going to need There is a zip tie in there. Let me unfold. Hold on. If I can do it right, I can get the cutting part of these tools right in there and just go, come on. Maybe I can crush the head part off. Oh, for Pete's sake. Hang on, let me try the scissors. Again, it's just a zip tie. Hang on. One last try. There we go. Okay. Why, oh why is this so difficult to get this off? Oh, man. Almost there. Can't be simple. Can't be easy. It cannot. It can never be. Hold on. This one's a strange one. Well, the eyes are attached. Oh, we're getting this off all right. We're getting that. Oh, man. We're going to do it. It's almost done. Here we go. Now, I can't get it over the eyeballs, but we're going to... Ah, man. Well, there it is. Whoops. That's Elmo. Ah. Oh, for Pete's sake. Okay, so there's some elastic here that's getting trimmed off. An elastic here that's getting trimmed off. I mean, it's got some pretty good pieces of plastic there. And then we're going to just pull and pull, or not. Right, okay, we're gonna do this. There's one. There's two. There we go. All right, here it is. We did it. Oh, it is the most pathetic Elmo that I've ever done. There he is. It's Elmo's head. Hi there. I'm Elmo. It's a little over the top. But I guess if I wore this, hey, maybe I could do this. I'll turn this little guy inside out. And maybe we'll be able to do an afterthought puppet. There we go. He's not coming out, or is that it? No, I think there was something else in there. Oh, there it goes. Okay. There's Elmo's hand on that side. We're going to try it on this side. Here we go. Okay. Ah, boy. This is probably the most difficult Elmo I've had to work with, and I thought I had worked with the hardest ones so far. Okay. Let's get that hand. Is it the hand? There's the hand. Okay. Okay. Elmo t-shirt on my hand just like that. Okay. And then the Elmo head. Just like this. There he is. Elmo. Hi there, this is Elmo. I don't know if that's Elmo's voice, but I think I'm getting a little loopy. It's a little tough doing these Elmos now. So there he is, saying goodbye. It's Elmo. This is Elmo's world. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Okay, hey, thanks for coming along, guys, for those of you who've been here before. Those of you who are new to the channel, if you want more of this wacky zaniness, please feel free to subscribe. And again, this is the DIY Magician. Until next time, bye-bye!